Welcome back to my cloud. Today's letter is to Jensen Huang, Lisa Su and Chen Tianshi, whose companies Nvidia, AMD and Cambricon Technologies produce the silicon substrate of modern intelligence. Their hardware underpins a large share of the global AI compute stack, making their architectural decisions unusually consequential for the pace and direction of AI capability. Dear Dr. Huang, Dr. Su and Dr. Chen, AI capability scales with compute. The chips you design determine how quickly AI systems grow more powerful and how widely that power spreads. Infrastructure shapes tempo, and tempo shapes geopolitics. As AI systems move beyond research into real-world decision environments, the compute infrastructure that powers them also enables applications in military and strategic contexts. Some of these systems involve algorithmic prioritization, determining which targets, resources, or lives are treated as higher priority within automated decision frameworks. At scale, this is not just optimization. It is the encoding of value hierarchies into systems that operate globally and at speed. When the infrastructure enabling such systems is concentrated in a small number of compute providers, the ethical implications extend beyond software developers to the underlying hardware ecosystem. To what extent do chip manufacturers consider the downstream uses of the compute that they supply? And do you believe that infrastructure providers have any responsibility to shape the boundaries of those uses? Infrastructure also consumes matter and energy. Advanced chip production depends on rare earth minerals, complex global supply chains, and immense power demands. Is the current tempo of scaling aligned with planetary stability, or is it outpacing it? As AI becomes a strategic resource, the companies that manufacture its most advanced chips influence not just innovation, but the pace of global competition. What long-term equilibrium do you believe this trajectory of AI scaling is moving toward? Is the goal maximal acceleration, or is it stable capability? If more powerful chips mean faster escalation, what limits, if any, would you support to keep that race from becoming unstable? If the silicon substrate of global decision-making fails or is weaponized, the damage, as leading experts continue to warn, could be existential. Should the most advanced AI chips be treated like any other commercial product, or more like nuclear material, where coordination and restraint are part of responsible stewardship? Would you support coordinated global standards among leading chip manufacturers to reduce destabilizing competition? If so, What concrete mechanisms would the three of you, Jensen, Lisa, and Tianshi, be willing to advocate for publicly? For example, licensing thresholds for the sale of the most advanced AI chips, beyond which independent oversight becomes mandatory. International agreements limiting the export or concentration of cutting-edge AI compute to reduce destabilizing competition. Independent transparency or reporting requirements for advanced chip production and allocation. Clear liability frameworks when compute infrastructure is knowingly supplied into unsafe deployments. When a small number of companies control the most advanced compute infrastructure, the rest of the world becomes structurally dependent on their allocation decisions. What responsibility accompanies that asymmetry? These are questions asked in good faith and in respect. They are about structural responsibility at scale, not blame. When hardware is optimized for speed over safety gate integration, the manufacturer becomes an architect of the resulting systemic failures. The architecture of acceleration is being built now. The tempo it sets may shape the century. Respectfully, our next letter is to the Freemasons. Thank you to anyone who listened.